Okay, I did decide to attempt to record how I do the drip. I mean the soaker hose. I have hold on. So this is the soaker hose right here. It's looking like this now because I was trying to fix these two rows that didn't have the best outcome. These tomatoes, they hadn't died, but they hadn't grown neither. So I think what I will do today is set up the soaker system, get everything lined up, and then plant some tomato starts that I ended up having to purchase today. So I will try my best to explain everything. I will try my best to explain as I go, but I'm trying to figure out how to do it on my own. So what I'm going to do is just run the soaker hose like like S curve, so up that way, up around, up that way, and try to get as much as these two beds as possible. As far as everything else, I may just do soaker hoses. At this point, I'm just going to have to hand water this section until I get some more soaker hose. And pretty much it'll just be these two beds. I'll figure it out. I didn't think that through, did I? My main concern was just those two. And now I'm thinking it might be a better idea to figure out some sort of system for this that bed and this bed right here. But we're going to work with this now and just take baby steps, see how this works, see what improvements I should make if there are any. So let me stop talking and just get this done. All right, so I'm holding the phone in my hand. I don't have my tripod with me, but I did do the soaker hose, and it's a game changer at this point. The part that I did set up, I left and went to Lowe's to get another 25 feet because I needed a little bit more for one bed. And then next week or the week after, I'm going to buy a second water hose so it can reach this part of the garden. And I think I don't know why I doubted myself and didn't think I can do it, but I'm going to show y'all what I did for the most part. Okay, so here's the soaker hose system. And I left it running for a very long time. We were supposed to be in and out at Lowe's, but we went to grab something to eat and the drive-through took forever. So I'll show you where my water hose is connected from. But this is my water hose that is connected to the spigot, which is attached to the house way down there. So here is the soaker hose, right? My water hose is connected to this, and this piece, it screws it just like you would screw in a water hose to any other hose attachment. And what I did was snake this all the way up, across, snake it down, across, back up, and across here. So this is a 100-foot hose. So across there, snake. It would be great if I had a hole through here to just slide it right through so no water's really wasted. Snake it through, so we get the idea. And snake it. So this is where the old hose ended, and then I had to begin a new hose to attach it. A new tubing, and I just kept going. So this part where it's attached is 25 feet long. So the additional 25 feet was perfect because it went through here and then it ended right there. You just put an end cap. I'll show you what the end cap looks like. So we just put this plastic piece on it and it comes with a cap to seal it shut so no water can escape, and the water is just maintained through here. This flooded, but the soaker hose has like little holes in it. The soaker hose has little holes in it and it'll soak everything through. So what I'm gonna do is, especially so that doesn't happen again, I'm just gonna go ahead and bury the lines. I'm so excited. So let me show you how it looks at the house, how it's attached. So here you see how, so just so you can get an idea of the distance between the back of my house to here, this gray hose I got from Dollar General, it's about 75 feet long. And the hose that it's attached to right here is 100 feet. So that's just about the distance. And we're walking and we're walking. That I'll get to that pile later. I'm gonna build or attempt to build a brick grill, maybe. And this needs to be cut. Okay, so this is the splitter that I have. It's right now everything is off. And here is, this is just the sticker that comes with it. I have to take this off. But here is the timer. I hadn't I hadn't tried it out yet. I need batteries. This takes two AAA batteries. So the splitter is connected to the house. Then from the splitter, the timer is connected. And then you connect the water hose to the timer. And then like the hose is connected to the soaker hose. I like it. And so now that you see there's 4 attachments, I'm going to get another water hose and route it. Let me show you. So the other water hose, I'm going to have it coming out this way, and or I could probably have it come through here as well. And that other soaker hose system that I want to get, it'll water this. It'll zigzag through here and then through here. And I might have to get an additional 25 feet to do some of the other boxes. Now on the back of the water hose, of the soaker hose system, it says do not go beyond 150 feet. So whatever is not covered, like between these 2 beds and maybe one other bed, I'll just have to hand water with the garden, with the bucket. I'll just have to do that, and that's fine. But I like it. I'm happy I gave it a shot. It looks like it's gonna work really, really well. I think we're gonna close it out here. My husband did, one more thing, I'm sorry. My husband did suggest, so it doesn't puddle again, I don't know if I mentioned this early, was to go ahead and dig a trench and just put it underneath here. I was gonna put my seeds, well, you know what, let's just do it now. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig a trench, just bury this. The water got really, really deep. So it looks dry up top, but down here, the water is pretty deep, it's still damp. And if I run this every day, this will keep the plants watered. But I'm just gonna go ahead and bury the line. I'm happy. I am so happy. What I'm gonna do is just go ahead and bury the line and let you all go. But thank you so much for joining, and I will keep you all posted on how this goes. Thank you. Pay it forward. Have a great day. I'll holla at y'all. Bye-bye.